Episode 6 Monetary Value of Your Time.
Hello, my dear friends. In this series of episodes, I intend covering what it means to be a strong personality. What is personal branding? Why is that a particular person is preferred than somebody else? Why do we go to a particular brand of a product? Why are we willing to pay a premium price for that brand? I want you to think about these names: Magnus Carlsen, Vishwanathan Anand, Saina Mirza, Martina Hingis, Serena Williams, Leander Paes, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Dhoni, Lata Mangeshkar, MS Subbulakshmi, R.D. Burman, A.R. Rahman. The list is endless. Who are these people? They are a brand by themselves. They have created an image for themselves. They are legends in their field. How did they achieve this prominence? Was it by chance? Was it by luck? Or somebody helped them? I want you to think about it. This is closely related to the various episodes I am going to do on time management, on personality building, on personal branding, on various life skills. Let me talk to you about 4 factors which will decide your value. The value of your time. You go to a shop, a departmental stores, you find various products displayed there. You take any product and there is a maximum recommended price. There is a price tag. If you take soap, toilet soap, all toilet soaps are not having the same price. There are premium varieties, there are ordinary varieties. If you take an electronic product, like for example, television, all the televisions are not priced equally. You take computers, there is a price difference. You are willing to pay a premium price for a particular brand. If the brand you wanted is not available, you are willing to shop around, you are willing to wait. Why is this? Just like a product has a brand image, you also have a brand image. All these people whom I mentioned earlier, they have established their name in the industry. As I mentioned, they are legends. How did they achieve their name? I'm going to give you 4 factors: outcome, process, knowledge, skill. I want you to take a piece of paper and write these 4 words: outcome, process, knowledge, and skill. They invested the time to produce an outcome which is very unique. They know a process by which to produce that outcome. The process is a result of the knowledge that they have and the skill they have developed in their time. Let me give a simple example. Supposing I know how to play a game of chess, and I play a game of chess with you and I win you. With that knowledge, with that skill and that process, can I beat Magnus Carlsen or Vishwanathan Anand? But the game of chess is the same. The rules are the same. You go to any departmental stores, you'll be able to buy a chess board. Coins are the same. You can buy a cricket bat, but what can you do with a cricket bat is completely different than what Virat Kohli can do with his bat. So the game being the same, the bat being the same, what is different is the level of knowledge, skill which decide the process. A superior process will produce a superior outcome. Now I'm coming to a very important subject, namely the monetary value of your time. Yes, your time has a price tag just like a product has a price tag. Depending on your knowledge, depending on your skill and process, and depending upon the outcome that you produce, you'll be paid high or low. If you want to be paid the highest salary, if you want to be given the highest perquisite, then the outcome that you produce should be of such high order. In the series of episodes, I'm going to explain to you how you can enhance the value of your time, how you can enhance the monetary value of your time, how you can make your time more valuable and dear to others. Remember, the more value that you produce to others' time, they will give more monetary value to your time.
ABS Vidyalaya, ABS Vidyalaya.
கற்கும் கல்வி நன்றாய் கற்கும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
மெட்ரிக் பாடம் என்றால் ஊர் மெச்சும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
டிஜிட்டல் திரையில் கணினி முறையில் தெளிவாய் கற்க நீ வா.
கல்வியோடு கலைகள் அனைத்தும் எளிதாய் கற்க நீ வா. ABS விண்ணை தோட தன்னை தரும் ABS வெற்றி தரும் மார்க்கம் ABS சுற்றும் உலகின் உச்சம் காட்டும் ABS வித்யாலயா.
தரமான மெட்ரிக் பாடத்திட்டத்துடன் ABS வித்யாலயா திருவள்ளூர்.
ABS வித்யா